म्हापशांत एसटीपी प्लांटाचे काम चालू आसा. सद्याक सिवेज चेंबरांक कनेक्शन दिवप चालू आसा. सुमार 70% कनेक्शनांचे कामूय पुराय जाला. प्लांटाचे काम खंय पावलां हाचो आढावो घेवपाक म्हयन्याच्या सोमत्यार बसका घेतले. 2014 हे काम अदमासान सुरू जाल्ले. म्हापशेकारांनी ह्या कामा खातीर खूब त्रासूय काडल्यात. हे काम पुराय जावचें अशें आपणाकूय दिसता म्हूण म्हापशेचो आमदार जोशुआ डिसूजा हांणी म्हळां. आरडेक्सवा खातीर म्हापशेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Last 10 years the STP plant has been काम चालू आसा, digging जाले. Now what is the status of it?
Right now there is connections being given from the sewage chambers that have been dug. I am happy to say that they have completed around 70% of the work based on the report that I have taken last week. There will be another review meeting at the end of this month to see where the work has progressed. So 70% of the connections have been completed, mostly in the areas of Khollim, Gaoswada. They have started work right now in Dattawadi, where they are giving connections from chambers to houses. They have not yet connected the septic tanks. Joshe amka clearance gavta from the sewage corporation, who is currently laying the connections. The PWD department also is working hand in hand with them to ensure that the connections are on. As soon as the plant is ready for commissioning, I believe the testing is going on. I will have a better report by the end of this month.
Last 10 years work is going on, but how long it will take now?
I wouldn't want to comment or give any deadline. आम्ही आमदार जावन आसा आनी थोडे म्हयन्या भितर म्हाका 5 वर्सां पूर्ण जातले. हांव लोकांक सांगूंक सोदता की हे जे काम आसा खूब सेन्सिटीव आसा. आमकांय खबर आसा 2014 हे काम सुरू जाल्लेले आनी आमकांय अशें दिसता की म्हापशेकारांक भरपूर त्रास काडलेले आसा. वी आर ऑल्सो फेसिंग लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज विथ रिगार्ड्स टू डिस्चार्ज ऑफ sewerage in multiple drainage systems. So I am also eagerly waiting for this entire project to kick off. It is a matter of health and hygiene as well as the overall betterment of our society. And हे जे sewerage system जे आसा, network जे आसा, हे खूप गरजेचे आसा. आणि we can ensure that there is a safe environment or a healthy environment for all of us living in the constituency of Mapsa. आमचे म्हणणे हा की हे जाता तितले बेगीन जावचे. But I would not want to comment on this time with regards to when it will commence. We are hoping, but the time pre-monsoon पयली तरी एक section तरी काम चालू जातले.
Okay, regards to that STP plant, there was some issue with that. No? Is that issue solved?
They are still trying to resolve the issue. There was a issue before about electricity connection when Honorable Minister Nilesh Kabral had visited the site about 1 year ago. तेणे सायटीर येवन ते रिजॉल्व करून दिल्लेले. There was a obstruction of the path in which the electricity cable was to be laid, but that issue has been resolved. There was an issue with regards to access that has also been resolved. Now the plant testing is going on, and जशें connection पूर्ण जाता, as soon as the plant is ready to take the waste, I think we can commence phase by phase. I think the area that is closest to the plant, that is Gaoswada, that will be the place where the system will start first, and simultaneously, as per the success of the first trial, they will expand from the lower area of Mapsa.